Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display rewarded ads inside a native Android application using Google AdMob. So let's get started. So firstly what you will have to do is you will have to create a native Android application using Android Studio. Then you will have to add this dependency to your project. So I have already added it. So if you see over here, I have already added it. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys the output, so I will just rerun this application for now, and once it is loaded I will show you the output. So just add this dependency and click on sync now. Next you will have to add this metadata tag. So here you will see that my application is loaded. So first here this is like a hello world text view, and it's just after some time. So as you could have seen that the rewarded ad was loaded, like it gets loaded on a separate screen, and it also gives you a callback to do some logic inside your app. Now rewarded ads, as per my knowledge, are only shown whenever suppose you are making a game and you want the user to watch a particular ad, and only once he finish watching an ad he will get certain coins in his game. So that kind of a logic is great for rewarded ads. So here as you can see I have added the dependency. Next, inside Android manifest I have added this metadata tag, and here you can see I am using this test ID. Later on I will show you how to use a production ID. This is a test ID, and also I have added these two things, like these two metadata tags, like these are for Google mobile ads optimization, because from what I have understood from the documentation, that ads can be loaded only on the main thread. So this will help us to avoid performance jank. What is this? I'm not sure. So if you see over here, you will find these two metadata tags. Okay, so even if you don't add those two metadata tags, that is fine, but you need this metadata tag. Okay, next we have to initialize our SDK. So if you go to activity underscore main, here you can see I have initialized my SDK, and then we will go to rewarded ads, and here you can see first you have to create a rewarded ad variable. That's what I am doing over here. Then we have to load our request, add request, as well as we have to call this rewarded ad dot load, and just pass your test ID for now. Later on change it to production ID, and you will get a callback on whether the ad has failed to load or whether it has loaded successfully. So that's what I have done over here. And next there is some server side verification as well. I couldn't really figure it out. Like I have checked their source code as well. Like at the bottom they have provided a sample repo. Even there they have not mentioned about it. So I'm not really sure. If you know how to implement this, do let me know in the comments, and I will most likely help others as well. And here you will get a full screen content callback. So I've just copy pasted all this code and put it over here. So if you want, you can add your own logic for all these callbacks. Okay, and the last thing which you have to do is you just have to call this bit of code over here. So I have just called this bit of code on add loaded. So once here you can see, here you can handle the reward. So you want to add some amount or some type to the user's account, you can do that, and here you also get a call like that wasn't ready yet. So yeah, here you can write all your logic once the user has finished watching the ad. So yeah, that's it. Now here they have provided a Kotlin sample repo as well. There are few things which I want to show it to you guys. Is first is, if you go to app, src java, they have added this consent manager thing. I'm not sure if this is required or not. So that's the first thing which I'm not really sure about. Yeah, I think that's the only thing which I wanted to show it to you guys. But if you want a more better example on how they are doing it, you can like have a look at this. Like this is not a difficult example. All they are doing is first checking whether you have that Google mobile ad consent manager or not, and then initializing the mobile SDK. And once the user is finished watching the ad, they are just like updating the if you see this logic over here, they had created somewhere, yeah, just add coins over to this coin variable. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how to create production ad units. Production ad units, you can just go to Google AdMob, create an app. So just click on add app. So I don't have an app deployed on the Play Store, so select Android. I don't have the app on Play Store yet, so I'll just click on no, click continue. I don't know, I'll give some name called third app, I guess, and I'll just click on add app, then click on done. And over here you can just select add unit, and here you can just select rewarded, and here you can give some name, I don't know, my ad or something. And here you can enter the reward amount as well, how much reward settings you want to do, and click on create ad unit, and it will give you all that. So these are the production ad units, so you have to replace this inside your manifest as well as inside your main file. Then click on done, and if you want to link your app, I think you can go to app settings, and here you can just click on add and add those, search for your app on the Google Play Store. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.